Number 7. Foul. Foul numero 2 ng Bismin.
Ano yung problema na lang ako?
First personal foul, first team foul.
Paring Jonathan, balas naman sa akin. Hindi, nakaano kasi dito eh.
First throw. Good. Second throw.
Oo. Madami player ni Magna.
No good. Number 1. Tumira, wala. Nakuha ulit niya. Number 17. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Set up play. Umatake. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 12. Umatake. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 7. Number 7 tumira. 2 points by number 7. Score 3-0 in favor of Asador. Number 2, kumukul ng 3. Wala. Nakuha niya 360.
Sa kinuha ng
3-0, 3-0.
Kasi pang depensa.
Size na yan, size. 6-0 na, Bastoyo.
Sabi mo, 6-0, 6-0. Yan.
Same ball. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 43 seconds. Pass to number 2, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 18. Number 18, who's foul rep? Number 15, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot.
Parang nasa Galyera.
First throw.
Parang nasa Dasma lang.
No good. Second throw. Pass to number 12. Number 12, matake nakakuha ng foul sa rep. Number 6. Sais. Number 6, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 15, inbound the ball. Pass. Loose ball. Number 17, nagmamadali. Pass to number 6, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 18, number 18. 2 points by number 18. Score 6-3 in favor of Asador. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 7, pass to number 1. Number 1, umatake. 2 points by number 1. Easy shoot. Number 17, set a play. Pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to number 6. Number 6, 10 to shoot. No good. Nakuha number 0. 2 points by number 0. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 15, umatake. 2 points by number 15. Score 10-5 in favor of Asador. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 17, set up A. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 18. Number 18, tumira. 2 points by number 18. Number 7, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 15. Tumira ng 360. No good. Nakuha yung number 18. Pass to number 6. Yung number 6 nagmamadali. Umatake. Wala. Nakuha yung number 15. Pass to numbers. Number 1. Pass to number 20. Number 20. No good. Nakuha yung number
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. Same ball. 13 to shoot. 14. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 12. Number 12, tumira ng 3. No good. Nakakuha ni number 6.
Yung pito natin, wala no?
Number 6, tumatake. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's correct? Number 7.
Ay, cambio yun.
Cambio. Cambio. Pasok. Number 7, first personal foul. Second team foul. Asador.
Number 7.
Pasok,
Seven.
corre.
Number 5 in. Number 7 out. 2 shot by number 6. First shot, no good. Centro. No. Line ball.
Last 5 minutes.
Time remaining, 5 minutes. Number 1, set a play. Number 1, pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 20. Number 20, nagano na pa sa pinasa kay number 1. Number 1, traveling violation. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 10-7 in favor of Asador. Number 17, set a play. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pumukol ng 3. No good. Nakakuha ni number 1. Pass to number 12. Number 12, nagmamadali. Number 12, tumira. Wala, nakakuha ng foul. Kung correct, 17. Number 17, personal foul. Third team foul, Besmin. 2 shot. First throw, basket. Centro. Basket again. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 17, set a play. Number 17, pass to number 4. Number 4, pumukul ng 3. Number 4, 3 points. Score.
12-10.
Score 12-10 in favor of Asador. Number 8, umatake. No good. Nakakuha number 2. Nakakuha ni Choi. Choi, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1. Nakakuha ng foul.
Last 3 minutes.
Time remaining. Last 3 minutes. Number 18, first personal foul warning for penalty. Nakakuha ni number 6.
Pero ay cambio.
Number 6, 2 points by number 6. Score all 12. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 8, pass to number 5. Number 5, tumira ng 3. Number 5, 3 points. Cambio, solo cambio. No, solo cambio. Luego.
Press mamaya.
15-12 in favor of Asador.
Parang Jonathan. Mamaya kusapin natin yung ano na sa sunod wala. Pag hindi walang uniform hindi na pwede. Ngayon okay lang kasi first game. Balik.
Number 17 dribbling the ball. Set a play. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 17. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Very good.
Number 1 rebound. Pass to number 5. Number 5 set a play. Number 5 pass to number 12. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 8. Number 8 tumatake. Wala, nakuha number 1. Number 1, 2 points. Score 17-12 in favor of Asador. Time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds. Number 6. Pass to number 12.
Announcer natin.
Number 2. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 30. Number 30 again.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
9.
Number 6. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 20. Nakuha number 1. Number 1, nagmamadali. Number 1, umatake. Number 1, 2 points. Time remaining, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Bebo, ay tempo, vale? Number 4, tumira ng 3. Number 4, 3 points. Score 19-12 in favor of. Score 19-15 in favor of Asador. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds in the first quarter.
And 30.
Paradise versus Flyers.
Maganda yun. Paradise Diet. Yun ang ano, yun ang labas-lastahan. Sa labas. Sa labas. Ayan. Isang kasi tapawis na lang yung habon nila.
Back to the ball game. Pasok na ba? Pasok na. Back to the ball game.
Nadali na naman ako ng vlogger. Nadali na naman ako ng vlogger.
Ganun lang lagi pre. Good vibes ka lang para ano. Mahirap na.
Bola ng Asador. Number 5, set the play. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Number 5, pass to number 1. Out of bounds. Number 4. Number 4, set the play. Time remaining, 1 minute. Number 2, matake, wala. Nakaulit na. Nakuha number 30. Tumira, wala. 55 seconds. 10 to shoot. Same ball.
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot ha.
10 to shoot.
Bilangan mo na lang pag na-receive.
10 to shoot. 10, 9. Number 2, 3 points. Time remaining, 44 seconds. Number 5, set the play. Number 5, umatake.
Oras.
35 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Number 6, umatake. Wala. 25 seconds. Number 8, nagmamadali. 20 seconds. Nakuha number 30, pass to number 2. 15 seconds. Number 2, 2 points by number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
5 seconds.
Time remaining, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. End of the first quarter. Score 90. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Nagpapasahan ng matake. 10 to shoot.
9.
Traveling violation by number 4. Time remaining 9 minutes and 35 seconds.
Stick na tayo maglaag. Palikot naman eh.
Number 7. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Umatake. Same ball. $15 to shoot. Number 17. Number 7. Umatake. Tumira. 2 points by number 7. Number 4. Set a play. Pass to number 23. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 15. Number 15, pass to number 17. Pass to number 20. Number 20, yung atake. Traveling violation ang tawag ng referee. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 4. Set a play. 15 to shoot. Number 2. Number 2. 10 to shoot. 9. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5. Nakuha number 20. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Nakuha number 7 ulit. 2 points by number 7. Time remaining, 8 minutes exactly. Score 23-20 in favor of Cazador. Number 4. Number 4 pass to number 33. Number 33, dribbling the ball. Number 33, 10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 8.
Ginagana si Flor de Lis.
Number 8, umatake. Pass to number 15. Number 15, 360, umatake. 2 points by 360.
May inspiration? May inspiration. Inspirational. Inspirational.
Number 33, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass. Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 15. Number 15, 360, umatake. 2 points again by number 15, 360. Time out! Bismi. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Score, 27-20 in favor of Cazador.
Ang titignan pa ako, tarantado. Huwag mo akong tignan!
Iba talaga pag may nanonood.
Sabi niya, idol, nakita mo yun?
The inspirational boy.
The inspirational boy.
Iba ka talaga, 360.
Tiene invitado, chica, viene a marcar la chica ya tiene invitado. Tiene 15 o 16 septiembre. Pues es que son las ponenas.
Back to the ball game.
Hablando con la chica, no sé, dejan 7 o 8. ¿Aló?
Number 23, in front of the ball. Pass to number 33. Number 33, set a play. Who's for it? Number 15, foul. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Ayuda, ayuda, centro, ayuda.
Number 33. Who's for it? Number 8.
First foul.
Number 8. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots by number 23. First throw is good. Second throw. Basket is good.
Last row.
Last throw. Basket is good again. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Set up 8. Number 5. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 1. Number 1 umatake. Pass to number 21. Number 21. 2 points by number 21. Time remaining. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Score 29-23 in favor of Cazador. Number 23 tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 21. Number 21 nagmamadali. Number 21. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 2 points by number 8. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to number 6. Number 6, set a play. Number 6, set a play. Pass to number 2. Number 2, tumira. Wala. Nakuha number 15.
Cambio.
Pasok.
Oh, tulak palabas, 18, sige. Centro.
Number 23, pass to number 18. Number 18, tumira. Wala. Nakuha number 6. Number 6, who's already? Number 1. Number 1, first personal foul, third team foul. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Two shot. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good again. Nakuha number 8. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 5. Number 5, set a play. Number 5, pass to number 15. Number 15, pupukul ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 33. Number 33, nagmamadali. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Tumira, wala. Nakuha number 15. Ang lakas mo talaga, 360. Number 1. Number 1, umatake. Who's my rep? First personal foul, first team foul. Two shot by number 1. First throw.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Basket is good. Time remaining. 4 minutes exactly. Second throw. Basket is good again. Score 33-23 in favor of Asador. Number 6, pass to number 23. Number 23, pumukul ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 18. Number 18, nakakuha ng foul. Basket is good.
Second foul.
Number 1, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Stop.
Cambio. Cambio, Bebo.
Pera.
Number 1 out, number 20 in. Bonus shot by number 18.
3:30.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. No good. Number 5. Second play. Number 5. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Tumira. No good. Nakuha number 6. Bebo ay cambio. Galing. Number 18. Matake. 2 points by number 18. Time remaining. 3 minutes exactly. Number 5. Number 5. Set a play. Number 5. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 6. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 21. Nagmamadali. Number 21. Umatake. No good. Nakuha number 23. Pass to number 6. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to number 30. Number 30. 2 points. Number 15. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5 umatake. Pass to number 6. Time remaining 2 minutes exactly. Time out! Asador. Time remaining 2 minutes exactly. Score 33-31 in favor of Asador.
Otra cosa, está bien cargado, porque puede ser también que no tenga tanta carga.
Sí, lo ponen cargado.
De un día para otro.
Sí, pero
Puno.
pero dalawang isa din.
Sí. Yung speaker.
Y puede ser también eso, que tenga el flujo de batería, que suba menos cuando tenga batería.
Hindi niya dala.
Ayan, babalik sila. Kasalanan ni Bet. Tinis ko, oo.
Shout out, Mr. Kapitan. Back to the ball game.
Last 2 minutes naman. Last 2 minutes.
Time remaining 2 minutes exactly. Asador ball. Number 15 inbound the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Set a play. Number 12. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Tumira. No good. Nakuha number 30. Who's got it? Number 20. Penalty.
Bebo.
Bebo. Number 20. First personal foul. Penalty.
1 minute.
Time remaining 1 minute and 41 seconds. Two shots by number 30. First throw. No good. Second throw.
No good.
No good again.
Nangingibaw yung loss, no?
No.
Loose ball.
Loose ball.
Falta ano?
Falta?
Falta.
Ilan na yun?
Second personal foul, number 18. Second team foul. Number 15, tumira ng 3. Wala, nakuha number 1. Number 1, 2 points.
Dapat ganun. Ganun mo.
Number 33. Time remaining. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Umatake. Tumira, wala. Susarap. Number 20. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots again.
Both teams are in penalty, no? Wala pa.
First row.
Ganda yung na-forme nila, oh.
No good. Time remaining 1 minute and 12 seconds. Second throw.
Big time kasi yung manager na yun.
No good again. Nakuha number 1. Nakuha number 15. Pass to number 7. Number 7 ang pamadali. Number 7. Turn around. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Turn around again. Tumira. 2 points by number 1. Superman. Last 1 minute. Number 33. Set a play. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 19. First personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 42 seconds. 2 shots by number 12. First row. No good. Second throw. $42 seconds. No good again. Nakuha number 6. 35 seconds. Number 33, tumira. Wala. 30 seconds. Pass to number 1. Number 1, umatake. 25 seconds. Who's my left? Number 33. First personal foul, 1 minute for penalty. Time remaining, 22 seconds. Score, 37-31 in favor of Asador. 2 shots para kay number 1.
Hindi kaluwete. Damog nawan. Pares kami niya, palawete.
No good. Second throw.
Tagarog ko jila tadi sumuragan.
No good again. 20 seconds.
Go foul!
15. Who's my rep? Number 7. Number 7. Second personal foul. Time remaining 13 seconds. Score 37-31 in favor of Asador. No good. First row? Second row? No good again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter. Number 15, pass to number 28. No good. Nakuha number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 28, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 17, pass to number 6, 14 to shoot. Number 18, nakuha. 2 points. Number 7, set a play, pass to number 28. Pass to number 7. Number 7. 5 to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Time remaining 9 minutes exactly. Number 4. Tumira, wala. Nakuha number 2. Tumira, wala pa rin. Nakuha number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Nakuha number 6. Number 6, nagmamadali. Number 6, pass to number 18. 3 seconds violation.
Tinga, tinawag na.
Tinawag, pag tinawag, okay na.
Huwag kayo magreklamo.
Number 7, pass to number 28. Pass to number 15. Time remaining 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Nakuha number 1. Who's the rep? Number 4. Number 4. First personal foul, first team foul. And then, ready mo yung isaw dyan. Number 1.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Number 28, tumira. 2 points by number 28. Time remaining 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 6, pumukul ng 3. Wala, nakakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Naghanap ng kabasahan, pass to number 7. Number 7. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nakuha number 2. Pass to number 4. Number 4, nagmamadali. 2 points by number 4. Number 15. Set a play. 360. Number 15. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 1. Number 1 tumira. No good. Nakuha number 18. Rebound by number 18. Who's the rep? Number 7. Number 7. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Cambio, Bebo. Pasok ang papasok. Umabasa ang lalabas.
Talon.
Pass to number 17. Number 17, umatake. Pass to number 4. Number 4, tumira ng 3. Number 4, wala. Nakuha number 18. Number 18, wala pa rin. Nakuha number 12. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 12. Nakuha number 6. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 6, nagmamadali. 2 points by number 6. Time remaining 6 minutes exactly. Number 12. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 20. Traveling violation by number 20. Number 4. Set a play. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass to number 6, pass to number 2. Number 2, tumukol ng 3. Number 2, 3 points. Score. 41-40. In favor of Asador. Nakuha number 4. Number 4 ang pamatri. 2 points by number 4. Time out. Tempo. Time out. Asador. Time remaining 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 42-40. 41 in favor of Bismin.
Pero kukuha na ba si Tupa? Irero ko ba si Damo ba man nakaya? Reklamo dati oras to.
Kim.
Pito.
Termo. Yellow.
Yellow, pre. Yellow. Ganun na, hawaan na rin isa. Yung Luis eh. Kita Luis. Gansaw yan. Oh, derma.
Back to the ball game.
Deja lagi ya, si siempre ya vemos. Deja lagi. Ahora, 5 minutes.
Time remaining, 5 minutes exactly. Number 12, pass to number 1. Number 1. Who's Marep? Number 17. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw, basket is good. Second throw. Basket is good again. Inbound by number 18. Pass to number 17. Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Good for him. Falta? Gino. Number 1. Number 1. Third personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shots para kay number 17. Time remaining 4 minutes and 3 seconds. First throw, no good. Second throw. No good again. Nakakuha number 15. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 12. Number 12, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakuha number 4. Pass to number 6. Number 6, umatake. Wala. Nakakuha pa rin nga. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha number 10. Number 10. Nagkakapasa. Number 10. Number 10. Grab ball. Bismin ball. Bismin. Same ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Nakuha number 1. Pass to number 5.
3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes. Number 1. Wala. 2 points.
Last 3 minutes.
Pass to number 4. Number 4 set up play. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 17 to Mira Andres. Wala na ako number 1. Pass to number 5. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Nakuha number 4. Number 4, pass to number 18. Number 18, Matake. 2 points by number 18. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Nakuha number 6. Nakuha number 15.
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Nakuha number 12.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala, nakuha number 2. Number 2, nagmamalik. Number 2, matake. Tumira, wala. Nakuha number 15. Nakuha number 6. Number 2 again. Number 2. Nakuha number 15. Who's the rep? Number 4. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds. Number 4. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 5, set the play. Pass to number 10. Number 10, Kumik, tumira. Wala. Bismin ball. Time remaining, 1 minute and 18 seconds. Cambio, Memo, cambio. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas. Number 4, pass to number 17. Time remaining, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Pass to number 6, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 6. Tumira. Wala. Nakaulit niya. Baka number 8. Time remaining, 1 minute exactly. Pass to number 5. Number 5, nagmamadali. No good. Nakuha number 2. Nakuha number 4. 15 seconds. 45 seconds. 2 points by number 6. 40 seconds. Score 46-45 in favor of Bismin. 30 seconds. Pass to number 12. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 8. Number 8 kumukulang 3. Wala. Nakuha number 17. Pass to number 6. 20 seconds. 2 points by number 6. 17 seconds. Number 8. Pass to number 8. Wala na siya. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. Who's correct? Number 30. Number 30, first personal foul. First team foul. First row. Basket is good by 360. Iba talaga pag may expiration. Second row. Basket is good again by 360. Number 33, set a play. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 30. Number 30, tumira. 2 points by number 30. Time remaining, 9 minutes exactly. Number 7, set a play. Pass to number 6, number 15. Who's correct?
Falta.
25. 15.
Nissan Chabal.
Number 15, first personal foul, second team foul. Who's foul? Number 30.
Tiene 2.30. Espera,
Espera,
Nico.
porque tiene 2.30.
03 ka mo rin dyan. 03. No, 03.
Momento.
03.
3, número 3, ¿vale? Number 3, first personal foul, third team foul. Number 12, 2 points. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Number 25, nakuha ni number 12. Pass to number 7. Number 7 nagmamadali. Number 7, 2 points. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Score, 51-51. 52-51. In favor of Bismin. Number 33, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 30. Tumira. Wala.
Cambio.
Cambio. Cambio.
Cambio, cambio.
Cambio, cambio.
Hindi ko gamitin niya sultip.
Number 12, pass to number 7. Number 12, number 20, tumira ng 3. 3 points by number 20. Number 3. Number 2,
Time out ka,
play.
sir. Time out.
Number 3, pass to number 2.
Time out, bali.
Number 2, makabenta. Set up play, 15 to shoot. Number 2, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 23. Number 23, number 25, 3 points. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Bebo, i-check mo kali. Pass to number 20, tumira ng 3, wala. Nakuha number 2. Number 2, nakuha number 20.
Time out, Bel.
Time out! Asador.
No, Asador.
No, dito.
Bismin.
Antideportiva.
Time remaining, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Score, 55-54 in favor of Bismin.
2-0, ¿no?
Double foul yun, antideportiva.
2-0, ¿no?
No tiro de posesión. No deportiva. No tiro de pura la mente.
Kakambyo sila, ha? Hindi na yung papalit sa kanya siya mag-filtro.
Claro.
Bebo.
Pera.
Pera.
Bebo.
Ibo! Hindi.
Mira,
¿Quién va a tirar?
el que está lesionado no puede tirar. El que le hace el cambio, el que tira.
Claro, si es que lo cambio, entra por él y le tira.
Claro.
¿Quién entra?
Pues ya entra, tira él.
Back to the ball game.
Dos tiro, ball position.
Ayun.
2 shot plus ball possession. 2 shot by number 5. Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. First throw, basket is good. Last throw by number 5.
Ano oras na, boss?
6:51.
No good. Last ball possession, same ball. Score all 55. Number 7, set a play. Tumira ng 3, pasa lang pala. Nakakuha number 1. Basket is good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 57-55 in favor of Asador.
Ako nga kaya ayaw.
Pass to number 25, number 25.
Katawa lang ta.
Saka may second.
Pass to number 6, pass to number 2. Number 2, makabenta. Tumira. Wala, nakakuha number 30. Number 30, wala pa rin.
Reserve.
Number 30 pa rin. Nakakuha ng foul, pa rin. Cambio. Number 12. First personal foul. Third team foul.
18.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 18 seconds. 2 shots by number 30.
Di ba 57 na yun?
No good.
57.
Sabi yung 57 yung Asador.
Asador.
57 yun, 57.
Tumas, Asador.
57 yung Asador. 57 yung Asador. Last throw. No good again. Nakuha number 1. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Dribbling ball. Falta. Number 6. Number 6. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Inbound by number 20. Pass to number 7. Number 7.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Pass to number 15. Falta. Number 6. Penalty. Number 6. Third personal foul. Penalty. Time remaining 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Score 57-55 in favor of Asador. First draw. Basket is good by 360. Last draw. No good. Uno más? Uno más.
Entering Tucson.
Ano yung pagpasok sa Tagalog? Basket is good by 360.
2 points.
2 points. 59 na yan, 59.
Bebo, I cambio.
59 yan, 59.
No. Bakit pumasok na wala pang 3 minutes? Di ba nakakuha John? Na-injury?
Number 2, tumira ng 3. Wait lang yan.
Pwede yun. Hindi naman na-technical eh. Hindi naman technical kuya. Pwede pumasok yun. Pwede yun. Kaya wala sa rules namin yung kuya yung sinasabi. Basahin nyo yung...
Number 7. Pass to number 5. No good. Nakuha number 20. Pass to number 15. Number 15, tumira ng 3.
10 to shoot.
Wala. Nakuha number 4. Pass to number 6. Number 6, solo. 2 points by number 6. Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to number 7. Number 7, tumira. Wala. Time out! Asador. Time remaining 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Score 57-59 in favor of Asador.
Sino ba coach dun sa kabila yun?
Parang walang coach yun.
Hindi naman technical yun eh. Hindi naman thrown out yun. Hindi naman technical yun eh. Baka ganun ang laro sa bita.
Yawa man ulit. Puta ka.
Back to the ball game. Second game, Flyers versus Paradise. Mag-ready na po. Time remaining, last 4 minutes. Number 4, set up play, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 9, 8, Falta. Gino. Number 1, warning for graduate. Warning for penalty, pare. 14 to shoot. Number 2, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 30. 2 points by number 30.
Good luck.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Out of bounds. Same ball.
14 to shoot, ha?
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Nakuha number 15.
Last 3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes. Number 5. Nakuha number 8. Number 1. Number 1, umatake. Falta. Who's pa rep? Number 30. Number 30. Second personal foul penalty. 2 shots by number 1. Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Score all 59 in favor of penalty.
No good.
First draw, no good.
Dead luck.
Second draw. Basket is good. Number 4. Set a play. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 4. Pass to number 6.
240.
Number 6. Pass to number 2. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 18. Asador ball. Number 15. Pass to number 7. Number 5. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 5. Pass to number 8. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Falta.
18.
Isang tao na lang dito, no?
Last 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time.
3 point lead, 62-59.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Deadlock.
Score 62 all. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 5. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 1. Number 1, umatake. Traveling violation.
No, 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 set a play. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 5. Nakuha number 4. Number 4. Number 8. Nakuha number 2. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 18. Nakuha number 20. Number 5. Number 5. Last 1 minute.
1 minute.
Cambio.
Last 1 minute. 1 minute.
Time remaining. Last 1 minute.
1 minute.
Last 1 minute exactly. Score 62 all in favor of committee.
1 minute.
Number 4. Set a play. Number 4. 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 4. Pass to number 6. Number 6 umatake. 2 points by number 6. 45 seconds. Number 15. Set a play. 40 seconds. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 12. 35 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. 2 points by number 1.
64 all.
All 64. 29 seconds. Time remaining 29 seconds.
29. Tagalogin mo para alam nila.
29. 29.
Baka maya. 29, 59, sabihin nila.
Puerto, bale. Kuha may shot, bale.
Vale, number 4. Pass to number 30. Number 30, tumira. Wala. Nakuha number 20. Nakuha number 2. 20 seconds. 20.
Patay ko.
Pasador.
16 seconds. 16 seconds.
Time remaining.
16
seconds.
16.
64.
16.
Dependiendo del chaval que siempre sabe, no sabe si son 2 o 3, siempre lo va a poner yo. Él siempre pregunta si son 2 o 3.
Botín,
penalty.
Holding penalty, vale. Time remaining 16 seconds.
Claro, no sabe si son 2.
Back to the ball game.
16
segundos.
segundos.
16 segundos, vale.
16 segundos. 14 allí ni 24.
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
14 lang, 14 to shoot ha.
14 to shoot, ha?
14 to shoot.
14.
14 to shoot.
Oh, bola.
Number 1. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 5 out.
8 seconds.
Time remaining
8 seconds.
8 seconds
8 segundos.
in the fourth quarter. 8 segundos.
8 segundos. 8. Wala na. Sak na na.
2 shots by number 6. First throw.
Isa. Pasok mo lang, dalawa. Isa, dalawa.
First throw.
Hindi mo na ano.
No good.
1:15 talaga.
8 seconds.
Baba ng iba, hoy! Baba ng iba, bro! Baba! Baba!
Baba! 8 seconds.
Pressure!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.